It's a beautiful day. Hello, cats. Okay, we're gonna go to the place where we can find the grass seeds. So we'll just quickly go there using my bike. Okay. Okay, a few more. Okay, we're there, and here they are. There's so many. I did not realize there are so many in our place, and I can get the seeds and feed my budgies. Until now, I don't know the name of these seeds, but I did try feeding them a couple of times already, and so far the the budgies are doing fine. So a lot here. Okay, here's another side. Let's see if we can find the same grass. And here they are. There's really a lot of them. Until now, I can't figure out what's the name. So many. Okay, let's. This is another corner. And here they are again. So many. Okay, let's pick up some. Okay, a few more. I'm just surprised I've been here for a while, but I did not discover the seeds. I really wonder what's the name. Okay, here they are. We're feeding my budgies and see how they love the seeds. They really love it and enjoyed watching them eating the seeds. I've so far tried the seeds for 3 times already, and the budgies are okay. So that means they're not toxic. So I'll continue to feed them, but I guess I will do it alternately, well, every other day, just to make sure that they're getting a variety of seeds, which is something that they need. Okay, so enjoy watching them.